Have you ever wanted to effortlessly share your Instagram stories to your WhatsApp status? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to do it with just a few easy steps. And before we start, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorial videos like this one. So the very first step that we will do is to get our Instagram story and save it to our gallery. And we can easily do that by opening the Instagram application on our iPhone or Android device, and then go over to your Instagram profile. I'm already on my profile, so let's click on the profile photo in order to open the Instagram story, which I had uploaded earlier. You can see that I have this beautiful sunset video, which I've shared. And let's say I want to share this to my WhatsApp status also. You have to tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then find the Save option. Then tap on the Save Video option, and our story is saved to the camera roll or photo gallery, which is just what we need. The next thing that we'll do is to exit the Instagram application and open WhatsApp. Make sure that you're in the Updates or Status section. It may be called different depending on the device you're using. I'm on my iPhone, so it's called Updates for me. Then tap on this little plus option, or the little camera icon, in order to open the photo gallery, and let's select the sunset video which I want to share. Now the video is opened in the editor, and you can add text, draw on the status, add stickers and other, but I'll just share this to my WhatsApp status and that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on the video because it would really help out the channel.